guys, Mob31 here. Today I made paper airplanes. I call this the Space Shooter 5000. And apparently I made some imaginary names, imaginary company. The company. No! 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 Okay. E. And you're alive! Space Shooter 5000. The company behind Space Shooter is Space Shooter G.M.B.H. Every German company, I think, has that, like Porsche G.M.B.H. So we're gonna fly. I wish I had a tripod right now. Okay. Come on. I don't have enough storage in this iPad. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yes. Now let's go to the other one. The Space Shooter 5000B. I don't know if the meaning is B, but this is the B. Space Shooter 5000B. Let me fix that. Right now I'm not in PC. I am too tired. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I really need something. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! You guys missed it. It did a trick shot. Not really. Yes, when? Sorry about that. It's just some parent. Alright guys, I have to end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Also, sneak peek for the next video. The next video is how to make paper airplanes for beginners. Bye.